The figure below shows different fractional units of a whole. How much of a whole chicky is each piece? So first thing is I want you guys to observe that you have the chicky to be divided along these lines, you have those. Can you see that? It's very minute, but it's there, right? So let's keep this in mind. Now, so we have two parts. So basically this is one single unit. So remember, we are looking at this being the fractional unit. Fractional unit is nothing but you have divided the chicky into different parts, and one of the part is over here. So this is one part. So basically we are looking at this to be one part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Let me use some other color. Seventh, eighth. Oh, that's also not visible. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. So there are 12 parts, and we have chosen one of it. So this is 1 by 12. Did you guys get it? So basically we are doing that. Oh, I should have not done that because. Okay, anyways. Now next is 1, 2, 3. It's over here, and we are doing this. So this is apparently one part. If this is one part, the other part is over here, and so on and so forth. It's something like this. So basically you have divided the chicky into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts, and this is one of it. So this is 1 by 4th. Did you guys get it? So fractional unit can be any shape and size. In the last introduction video, I have not gone into that much of detail. Till now, we are not introduced fractional unit to that extent. But here in this example, you can clearly see that fractional unit can be any shape and size. Okay. So that is one thing that you have to learn over here. Note. Fractional unit can be any shape and size. Yeah, guys, you can pause and see. Have a look over here. So here too we have 1, 2 and third base, and this is 2. So 3 across and 2 up. So can you see that? It's the same structure. So let's complete the picture. Right? So you can see that all the parts are same. It's flip around, but still, if you look at it carefully, all the parts are same. So we have this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is, yes, one part of 8. Again, remember fractional unit. This is one part of the entire thing. So this is quite simple. So this is basically 1, 2 in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6 part, I'm choosing one of it. So this is 1 by 6. Remember, all of this are fractional unit. So basically, we are dividing the entire chicky in this shape. All of this will be this shape, and this is considered as one piece. Got it? Okay, next is this. This looks like I forgot the name of that game. Bricks, right? Bricks. So if this is one block, then this is second, this is third, right? And imagine this thing will be fourth. Okay, so this will be fourth. I hope you guys are able to see that. This will be fifth, and this will be sixth. Let me try to use black color. 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what about the top one? We don't have that shape. Remember, fractional unit can be any shape and size. Yes, within this itself, I can further divide this into this shape, this way. So we have 1, 2, 3 part, 1, 2, 3 part. Remember, if you further divide this, there are three parts. So the shape can be different. It can be horizontal or vertical, or this way as well, L shape. But point is, one unit, one of this has three of the small units. So this is considered as 1. Again, fractional unit can be any shape and size. Within a fractional unit, there can be further, subdivisions. They can be further divided. So basically, if I'm distributing this, I'll be able to distribute to 8 kids, and no one will be sad. Yes, other than the shape, everyone will get the same quantity. That's the whole funda. So I'll be able to distribute this to 8 kids, and since I'm getting 1 of it out of 8, so this is 1 by 8. Do you guys agree? Then next shape is, let's have a look. So we have 1, 2 over here, and the entire fourth thing. Okay. So this is 1. And if I'll continue this is the second shape and the third shape. Now I'll do one thing actually. Let me show this to you guys. I'm just drawing something, not going to, it's not visible to you guys now, but I'll be making it visible in a second. So what I just drew was this. Okay, I overlaid the remaining parts and I drew this. I'm going to divide this again and I'm going to rearrange them. Can you see that? We're getting a similar structure, just that it's flipped. So basically, this part, I'm sorry, I think that's not visible to you guys. This part, okay, this part and this part combines to form one unit as of now. So if I start counting, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this and this will be 4, this part and this part will be 5, and this part and this part will be 6. There are 6 of it. And out of 6, I'm choosing 1. So this is 1 by 6. Okay, so this is 1 by 6. Next, you can clearly see that they have divided. So here, a unit, a fractional unit is this part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 24 parts. I'm getting 1 of it, so it's 1 by 24. That was simple and straightforward. And finally, we have the following shape. I think it's over here. You can see clearly that this is made up of 1 and 2. Similarly, if I keep doing that, everywhere I'll get 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, so on and so forth. So basically, if I keep counting, if I think of it, actually it's the same as what we just did now. If I rearrange them, yeah, I'll be getting one block everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, I'm getting that only. So again, here too, there are 24 parts and I'm choosing one of it. Okay guys, the last one, I'll just re-explain this. I was not very happy with it. Let me redraw this. It's something like this. And the other part is something like this. Let me just cut it. So guys, this is what we are looking at, right? This is the shape. I have two of them now. Now what will I do is, I will cut it, paste it over here, right? I'm removing this and I'm removing this actually. If I can flip it, which I can't over here actually, if I can flip it and overlay it on this, actually I could have done that over here itself. Yeah, if I, guys, if I divide this into half, let me do this. If I divide this into 2 equal half, can you see that these are 2 equal half? These two are equal, right? So I can join this line. And if I take this and overlay on one of this, can you see that? This is one hole. Can you see that? This is one hole. This first two parts, right? There were 2 units. I divided the 2 units into, I divide 2 with 2. So 2 with 2 will give me, 2 with 2 will give me 1. So this is one of the piece. But if I take any piece and overlay on the original chicky like this, you can see that it exactly overlaps with the original division over there. So basically what I'm trying to tell is there are 24 parts, because one of this shape is equal to, these two are one and the same. Basically they are the same. Because they are the same, this is 1 by 24, this 2 will be 1 by 24. That's the funda. Okay, so yeah, you can, once more, we saw that we could represent, or if you have a situation, let me put it this way, if you have a situation wherein we have a unit, we have one thing. That thing, if we divide it into any number of equal parts and we select select few of the items, this particular situation we will be able to represent using fractions. 3 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 7, right? So all of these are examples. But if we choose one of the divisions, just any one of the divisions, that is known as fractional units. With this example, we could clearly see that fractional units can look different, can have different sizes. It depends on the situation, right? Here too, we have seen this actually. Okay. This is a simple, straightforward example. See, this is still fractional unit. Whatever you see in blue, all these are examples of fractional units. This is your fractional unit. In this case, 1 by 9, the fractional unit has reduced. But still, this represents a fractional unit of for this case. So fractional units can be of any shape and size. That's the entire conclusion of this particular question. So fractional unit can be 1 by 12, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, or 1 by 24 as well. It can be of any size and shape is what we are trying to show.